Hold my head a little higher, can't you tell I love a liar? I know what I look like to you. I would say it's excessive, or maybe damn impressive. I'll admit I'm confused. I've gotta remember that I'm just a toy. Though you got my hopes up, and now I'm annoyed. You thought you could drown me, damn it, you're right. So watch me fall for every damn stereotype. You can't help it, this is just how we were taught to love. Oh, there's a name for boys like you, and yet I feel lucky to hear your lines. I hate that they shake me up every time. Hold my hand for just a second, see you soon, what do we reckon? Maybe I'm not just a friend. We're so close, I thought we kissed. Turns out you're just good at this, but how about you do it again? Oh no, I gotta remember that I'm just a toy. Though you got my hopes up, and now I'm annoyed. You thought you could join me, and damn it, you're right. So watch me fall for every damn stereotype. You can't help it, this is just how we were taught to love. Oh, there's a name for boys like you, and yet I feel lucky to hear your lines. I hate that they shake me up every time. Guess I'll take it, this is just how we were taught to love. Oh, there's a name for boys like you, and yet I feel lucky to hear your lines. I hate that they shake me up every time. They tell me, don't go there, we know you love a nightmare. There's more than a crush here, waiting to be crushed here. They tell me, don't go there, we know you love a nightmare. There's more than a crush here, waiting to be crushed here. There's a name for boys like be crushed here. They tell me, don't go there, we know you love a nightmare. There's more than a crush here, waiting to. You can't help it, this is just how we were taught to love. Well, there's a name for boys like you, and yet I feel lucky to hear your lines. I hate that they shake me up every time. Guess I'll take it, this is just how we were taught to love. Well, there's a name for boys like you, and yet I feel lucky to hear your lines. I hate that they shake me up every time.